Are you worried someone might be using your Telegram account on another device? In this video, I will show you how to see all devices connected to your Telegram account and remove any suspicious sessions instantly, step by step. So, to know how to do this, just follow me. The first thing you have to do is to go to Telegram. Then here in this first page of Telegram, you will click on settings. So you will find here settings, you will tap on it. After that, you will find this page who called privacy and security. As you see, last seen devices cascades. So you will tap on privacy and security. Then here in this page you will find this window of devices, so you will enter two devices like this, and then here as you see you will find all sessions, all other sessions or all other devices that logged into your account on Telegram. As you see here, this is an active session, and these all other sessions. And also here, if you want to link desktop device to another phone, you can click here and you can scan the QR code and link the device. But if you want to delete or log out into other accounts, you will click here on terminate all other sessions. And as you see, you will find, are you sure you want to terminate all other sessions? You will click terminate. When you click here, then you can be able to log out on other sessions or other devices who logged into your account on Telegram. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.